Today I'm making an amazing carrot cake. As always, the ingredients will be listed in the description below. I'll be using flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, ground cinnamon, eggs, brown sugar, vanilla extract, chopped pecans, oil, grated carrots, butter, cream cheese, and powdered sugar. Here I'm adding the salt, baking powder, baking soda, and the ground cinnamon to my bowl of flour. And I'm just going to mix this well with a spoon. And here I'm adding the eggs to my stand mixer. I'm also adding the brown sugar, and I'm going to mix this for about 1 minute. Then I'm adding the oil and the vanilla extract. Next, I'm adding the chopped pecans, then the grated carrots. And now I'm slowly adding the flour to the stand mixer. Once I've added all the flour, I'm going to stop the mixer so I can scrape the sides of the bowl so that all of the flour is incorporated. Then I'm going to mix it again just until all of the flour is moistened, and I'm going to be very careful not to overmix the batter. Then I'm going to pour the batter into my casserole dish that I just sprayed with oil. And next, I'll be transferring this to my oven that I preheated at 350. And I'm gonna let this bake for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted. Once done, I'm going to let the cake cool completely. Now that the cake has cooled, I'm going to start making my frosting. Here I'm adding butter to my clean mixer along with the cream cheese. And I'm going to mix it for about 2 minutes. Then I'm adding some vanilla extract. And then I'm slowly adding some powdered sugar. And I'm going to let this mix for about 2 more minutes. And finally, I'm frosting the cake, and I'm also going to top this with a little ground cinnamon and chopped pecans. And now it's ready to enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you will enjoy this recipe just as much as we did. Bye!